Hello everyone.
The former President Jacob Zuma arrived at the Durban High Court and people couldn't stop screaming for Malala outside the Durban court. The MK party leader attended the case of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party over a name and logo dispute against the African National Congress, following the unsuccessful bid to declare it unlawful. The African National Congress said MK Party was their pride and joy and it would not allow counter-revolutionary to hijack it. It said the Umkhonto Wesizwe logo and name is the heritage and intellectual property of the African National Congress, and we will not allow counter-revolutionaries to hijack our name, our movement for their personal gain. The former president is about to address the Umkhonto Wesizwe Party at the Durban High Court, and the people came out in numbers to support Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.